Hi everyone, it's Katie here with Shoes of Hollywood. Today we'll be doing some nice little shoe reviews, as you can see just here. This nice cute little box that Pleaser do give you when you do buy these beautiful shoes. Oh, where did my tag go? We're looking at some beautiful Delights in a 6-inch. They're the Delight-601, as you can see here. And they are a clear shoe. So look, I think they go with everything. I love clear shoes. It's just, I can't decide, clear or pink. Now, I've got this little bag here. I'm going to pop it to the side because I'm going to show you what I do whenever I go traveling, so I need to take my shoes with me. Now, as you can see here, they are clear. And they do have the little piece of plastic here. Piece of paper, I should say. They've got the nice clear top, so this will mold to your foot, and the nice soft sole here as well. And you can see through them. Hello! And they do have the nice grippy bottom. Okay. Now, let me show you. So whenever I go traveling somewhere and I need to take my shoes, rather than carrying around the whole box, what I do, and I'll show you with the one shoe, I just pop it in here, tie it up, pull the little drawstring here, and off I go. Sometimes I'll chuck it in the suitcase, you know, sometimes my heel scratches a bit of my clothes, and I'm sure you don't want that happening, so that's what I do. That's Katie's trick today that I'll show you. Hopefully I'll come up with some all the time for you, new tricks and tips from Katie. But that's the one, and I'll pull out the other. And here we are. A little bit of paper here to help them mold to your foot. And a grippy bottom as well. Hopefully there's no falling over today for me. And now they just slip on just like this. And look at that, perfect fit. It's like Cinderella. Now they are a little bit narrow, but they will stretch a bit to your foot with the clear top. That's why I love the clear top. And these are my beautiful shoes. They are super comfy. I could run a marathon in them. You can see my colour of my toenails, which is amazing. So that way I can have them nice and bright and you can't miss them. Really soft sole as well. I feel like I could bounce around. How gorgeous are they? Perfect shoes for anything you do. I'd wear these to the shops, pushing my trolley. It is a gorgeous, nice, bright, sunny day here in Australia, up in Queensland actually, so it's always nice and warm. Would you believe it's winter? Doesn't look like winter, does it? I'm wearing my long sleeves, just in case it gets a bit chilly. They're so comfy. They go beautifully with my dress. Nice clear tops. Nice squishy sole as well. And a nice empty car park. It's nice and quiet so you can hear me rather than me fighting with all these cars usually. Amazing. Nice and comfy as well. Do they suit me? I think so. I think they're very cute. Oh guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Click on the little bell in the corner and you'll be notified every time we post a new video. I can't wait for you guys to see what's coming up, so keep an eye out. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you think they suit me. If you like them, what colour you choose. And look, nice and easy. They just slip up just like this. And there we are, guys. I hope you enjoyed our video. See you next time. Bye.